Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. You can make one common mistake that can cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to a free car repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Corolla, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you have one of those, and if you need to find where the stoplight fuse is located, if a stoplight does not work, stoplights do not work, always check that fuse first. We also have a special video that explains why stoplights do not work, that will cover everything from start to finish and how to diagnose it, but always start with the fuse first. We'll explain where you can find it, where you can buy cheap parts to use fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, and why it's important to always test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to do engine work, transmission, mechanical, body work, anything you can think of practically. On this channel specifically, we'll be making at least 150 to 200 videos about that Toyota Corolla, that generation guys. If you have one of those, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car does not want to start, you find out that the fuel pump is bad, you're not getting fuel, you can just search for fuel pump relay, fuel pump fuse really quickly, watch the video, spend a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road, because the writings on the fuse boxes are very vague and most people will not even know what they mean. So we will be making videos about every possible fuse and relay in that Toyota Corolla. So let's start on it now. So the stoplights fuse, where you can expect to find it, we'll demonstrate on that generation Toyota Corolla right here. You guys have, by the way, multiple fuse boxes, but today we're working one that's on the inside. Open the driver door. When you do that, look on the left side of the dash. Underneath the dash, if you look upside down on the bottom of it, you will find guys that you have one white cover that looks like this one. This is the main interior fuse box. Pop that cover open. Behind it, you'll find a fuse box layout like this one. Before we guys continue with the fuse, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here for the stoplight guys, which fuse you need to check. Oh, by the way, if you need to buy any fuses, relays, parts to use for Toyota Corolla or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste money and time. The fuse guys for the stoplights now. Okay, we're talking about 7.5 amp fuse. That row here is 1 through 16, that's 17 through 32. The fuse that we need to check is fuse number 3. 1, 2, 3. That 7.5 amp fuse, that's the one that you need to check for the stoplights. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.